Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
So I just got to the actual location. I'm about to get my brows done. I am super excited. This will be the last time that you see my brows looking like this. So get a good look. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'll be able to record once I go inside, but I will definitely come back and explain the process and let y'all know exactly how everything went. See you soon.
Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need him. We been saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Say no one else loves me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm recording this one. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. They look really, really good.
Yeah.
I love them. They look good.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Hey love, so it is day 2 of me getting my brows microbladed. Just wanted to give you an update on what I got so far. This is what they look like. She did an amazing job. She did a phenomenal job. Basically, the aftercare instruction says for me to basically wipe my brows with soap and water. So I have a little damp paper towel, and then I'm just going to go in and wipe them.
Big bang. Woo!
AJ, hush. Nothing's on there. And then it says to clean around the rest of your face like normal. So I'm going to use my normal skin routine. I'm going to be using the Stridax for sensitive with alloy. And then I'm just going to take one of the cotton swipes, cotton balls, cotton pads, whatever you want to call them, and clean the rest of my face. It says you can clean it with skincare products, your brows, but it said to ensure that it doesn't have alcohol in it. These don't have alcohol in it, so I probably could clean my brows with it, but I'm a little scared, so I'm only going to use soap and water. And now that that's done, it says to take a little bit of the Aquaphor. She says about a rice grain size, so I'm going to put a little bit on here. And she says start at the tail and work away. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. And that's day 1. They look good. They're not hard. They're not scabbing, peeling, or anything. They look amazing. And like I said, this is day 1. I'll just update you through the process. So this is day 3. And so far so good. This is the second day after I got them done, so I guess you would consider this day 3. And they look good. They're not even peeling yet. They are lightening up a little bit, which she said they would light up about 20 to 30%. So it is actually doing that. It looks good. I actually thought this process was going to be horrible. I know that maybe in a couple of days they're going to like peel and fade. But so far they look good. Like, I am extremely happy. So today is Friday and I got them done on Monday. So I guess this would be considered day 5 or day 4 after the procedure. I'm just going to say day 5. And this is what my brows are looking like. As you can see in this corner here, they've already started to peel. And my microblade artist, she did tell me that it was going to go away and it's called the ghosting phase. So I guess I'm about to hit the ghosting phase, where she says it's going to look like I don't have any brows. So this is day 5, like I said. And I'm already to that point. And they're peeling. I don't know if you can see that they're peeling, but she basically said not to mess with them, to leave them alone. Overall, I still like them. I'm just ready for this little ugly phase to be over with. Yeah, not a fan of that. But she said not to mess with it, so do an update tomorrow. So today is Saturday, or you could say day 6, or you could say day 5 after the actual procedure of microblading. And this is what they look like. As you can see, they are starting to peel. You can see them peeling here. This one doesn't look as bad, but as you can see, it's peeling here and here. Looks like the pigment is fading, but my microblade artist, she did tell me that it was going to fade and it was going to look like my normal brows. She called it the ghosting phase. So I guess I'm about to hit the ghosting phase. They look a little ugly, but I'm here for the whole process. Like I said, this is day 6. I'll just keep you updated. I'm going to keep coming back until they fully peel off and everything. And so far, still looking good, even though they look a little crusty. So today is day 6. And they are looking so much better. Yesterday, I was a little worried because they look super crazy. But as you can see, a lot of it has went ahead and peeled off. So I feel a lot better. And my brow artist, she did say that they were going to have this ghosting phase. They were going to go away. The pigment was going to be really light. And then it was going to come back. But as you can see, my pigment is starting to come back in. And so much peeled yesterday. Like, my whole entire brow peeled yesterday. I was really busy yesterday school shopping. So I don't know if that has something to do with it. But I am super glad. Looking really good. I'll just keep checking back in with you guys.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that